Hey guys, welcome to tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin location on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin your location on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp guys, you'll be required to send the location to the chat where you want to pin it. So for a demo purpose, I'll be sending myself the location. Now in order to send the location, you can see on this interface at the bottom of the screen there is an attachment icon on the type bar, where just beside the camera icon, tap on that attachment icon where you type, and over here you can see the location option available for us. Tap on that location, and you can see you can currently share your live location and share your current location, whichever may it be. Tap on it, and after that it will be sent. Now in order to pin that location on the chat, tap and hold on it, and you can see at the top right corner a bunch of icons appear, and at the right side there is a three dotted icon. Tap on it, and you can see the pin option available for us. Tap on pin, and you can see choose how long your pin lasts. You can choose the duration of the pin and tap on pin, and after that location will be pinned on your WhatsApp chat. And with that being said guys, this is how to pin location on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.